In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change visited link color in Google Chrome. Updated. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, look for an extension such as Link Control or Recolor Links. When you find the extension you want to use, install it in Chrome. Wait a moment for the installation to finish. After that, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. From there, open the link color extension you just installed so you can access its control panel. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on which extension you chose, but the goal is the same. You want to find the setting that controls visited links. Once you see the visited links setting, click the color box next to it. This will open a color picker. Choose the color you want to use for visited links. A high contrast color is usually the best choice because it makes the difference easier to see at a glance. If you spend a lot of time browsing, selecting a color that is clear without being too harsh can improve visibility and make the experience more comfortable. After choosing your preferred color, click Save to apply the setting. That covers everything you need to know.